Mission Lane gives many applicants a pre-approval decision without hurting their credit score, and that matters if your credit is shaky and you're trying to avoid unnecessary hard pulls. That alone makes it one of the more practical credit-building cards in 2026, and by the end of this, you'll know if it's worth applying for or if you should skip it. Here's the quick answer. Mission Lane is solid for rebuilding credit, but it's not the cheapest option, and it's definitely not the best rewards card. Start with what makes it different. Mission Lane focuses heavily on accessibility. If your credit score is damaged or thin, getting approved for mainstream cards can be tough. Mission Lane offers a pre-qualification process first. That means you can check your odds before committing. That's useful if you've had missed payments, collections, or a short credit history. Now, the card itself. It's an unsecured credit card, which means no security deposit. That's important because many rebuild cards still ask for $200 or more upfront. Mission Lane removes that barrier. For someone short on cash, that's a big advantage. It also reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. That means your on-time payments actually help build your file. That's the main job of this card. Now the trade-offs. Mission Lane can come with annual fees depending on your offer. That's the part you need to check carefully. 2 people can apply and get very different terms. Some may get a no-fee offer, while others may get a fee attached. The interest rates can also be high. That means carrying a balance is expensive. This is not a card you want to revolve debt on. Pay it off monthly. Another thing. Mission Lane usually doesn't have strong rewards compared to cards like Discover, or even some Capital One starter cards. So long-term, you may outgrow it. That's normal. Mission Lane works best as a stepping stone. Build 6 to 12 months of clean history, then move to a stronger card. So is it worth applying? Yes, if your credit is rough and you need an unsecured card with easier approval. No, if you can already qualify for lower-cost beginner cards. Quick recap: Mission Lane is easy to access, skips the deposit, and helps rebuild credit fast through reporting. But fees and interest can make it expensive if you're careless. Your next step is simple. Run the pre-qualification first, and compare the exact terms before accepting. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more straightforward credit card reviews.